Bitdefender's tips, how to fix .exe file opening. When it comes to problems with .exe files, some users experienced errors, while others reported that nothing happened when they opened such a file. There were even cases in which users received messages saying they had viruses on their systems. No matter the cause, this problem can be fixed by choosing one of the methods described below. Method 1. Click on your desktop. Now hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press the R key to open a Run dialog box. 2. Open command prompt by typing CMD or command in the dialog box. 3. Type the following command, cd/Windows 4. Now type the regedit command to open the registry editor. Note, if you can't use regedit, press Ctrl+Alt+Del and select Task Manager. Select the File menu, hold the Control key and click on New Task. In the new command prompt window, type regedit.exe and press Enter. 5. Now go to the key named hkey_classes_root\.exe. On the right side, double-click on the default key and type exe file in the value data field. Now click on OK. 6. Go to hkey_classes_root\.exe file/shell/open/command. In right side of the screen, change the value of default key to the one presented below, %1%*. 7. Exit registry editor and restart your system and you should be able to open EXE normally. Method 2. 1. Click on your desktop. Now hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press the R key to open a Run dialog box. 2. Open command prompt by typing CMD or command in the dialog box. 3. Type the command presented below, association.exe =exe file.